Hello guys, in this video we are going to make an unboxing and review of this new GeForce Record Buster Smart Charger 6 slot 3-in-1 charger discharge and a motor break-in mode and other features, which is perfect for mini 4-wheel drive racers like me. This charger, also known as SkyRC NC2500 Pro, depends on the country where you purchase the item. Now let's open this for the first time. The manual, instruction, this one is a Japanese manual. A 240 volts DC adapter with a 12 volts 3 ampere output, and the main unit itself, let's take a look. A small display, analog wheels, and back and stop button, USB port, XT60 port for motor braking, and at the back we have the 12 volts DC input and the Type-C data port, and it also a cooling system under the charger, which is great. Okay, let's try charging different batteries here. Did not start automatically when you place the battery. You have to manually start it first. Okay, when you press the button, we have here you can change the charging current, minimum of 100 milliamps up to 2.5 ampere in every slot. Anyway, there's a light code here, so we can identify the state of the charger. Orange is a standby mode, and pulsing green is the charging mode. Then you can see the status on the display of every slot. Next is you need this female XT60 type cable to use the braking mode. You also need a little modification here, just like what I did. This cable is not included, you have to purchase it separately. And now let's try the braking mode. Fortunately though, charging need to stop. We only have stop and we only have a back stop button here. And back once more. Then you can go back to the menu and select the monitor run. You can change the voltage from 0.6 volts to 6 volts. Okay, let's set this volts to 3 volts. Current limiting is 2 amps. Direction has forward, reverse, and auto options. That means you don't need to switch the wire if you want in order to change the rotation of the motor. And the timer has a maximum of 60 minutes, but we will set this to 10 minutes in the meantime. Then choose start and push enter. Then you can see here the information of the current, voltage, and the ampere, the direction, and also there's a timer above. From here, you can go back to main menu without interrupting the motor braking. Then you can start charging again. While charging, the braking process will automatically stop when the timer is finished. Okay, let's check how much RPM this motor has. $34,480, not bad. Okay, that's a decent RPM, I think. Once you press the back button, the charging state will stop again. Then go back to braking mode and let's stop this for a moment. And also you can charge any device using the USB port while running the braking mode at the same time. But once you start the charging process again, the system will abort the USB function and prioritize the battery charging. Then once you cancel the charging sequence, the USB port will back again, functioning automatically. Unfortunately, you can't use the USB port to run a fan like this while charging the battery. It should be more helpful cooling the battery while charging. But in the end, I think this charger is doing its job perfectly. It also has a dedicated data port, so whenever there's a new firmware update, you can update the charger with ease, hopefully. 6-slot battery charger is great with additional motor break-in. That is definitely a big factor. And not only that, you can charge them up to 2.5 amps each cell, and braking mode with reverse forward and a timer. Battery discharge, fresh braking. Definitely highly recommended charger. Also have a cool design in my opinion. And everything looks great, working perfectly according to my needs. If this charger is doing its job. See, this is made especially for mini 4-wheel drive racer. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.